Lean manufacturing and lean thinking in restaurants. What's that all about? Does it really work? Yes, it does. Stay tuned for more. Hey, I'm Johan Mylove, founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. Lean manufacturing and lean principles in restaurants, is that even possible? You know, it might sound totally crazy to take so heavily focused on people and entertainment in a sense, and then try to make that, it sounds like it's going to be efficient, because who wants to come into a restaurant and eat quickly, right? So obviously it's not about that. It's about maximizing the customer experience while not spending a fantastic amount of money for no reason. So if you think about a restaurant, you can say that it contains both people, processes, so you have equipment and such, and you also have material. So if you think about your own area, if you work in a restaurant, you could separate it in different boxes, you can say. So one part is, how do we maximize the experience for the customer? So that is one part of the lean thinking. Another one is to say, how do we control the inventory, the food, etc. that we have? And then how do we make sure the processes we use are efficient so that we don't spend too much money? If you look at that and you learn how to get new eyes for your own business, you can really use lean manufacturing thinking in a restaurant, but you have to twist it to make sure that you focus on the right type of value. It's not about being really fast, it's about giving the right value to a very reasonable cost. If that is something you're into, you work in a restaurant, I would suggest you contact me so we can talk about that, and I can discuss more in detail with you about how you can use that thought process and really have an improvement system going in your business, as well as a production business, for example. Like and share this video as well, and especially share it with people you know could benefit from listening to this. And also, thank you so much for listening.